Hey there, drivers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of manual transmissions and get familiar with the clutch, gear, stick, and shifting techniques. Let's start by understanding the clutch. The clutch is a crucial component in a manual car. It disconnects the engine from the transmission, allowing you to change gears without stalling. To engage the clutch, press the clutch pedal all the way down, and then slowly release it. Next, let's talk about the gear stick. This is the lever that allows you to shift gears. When you're ready to shift, make sure your car is in neutral and the clutch is engaged. Then, move the gear stick into the desired gear. Now, let's practice shifting techniques. Start in first gear, then gradually move up through the gears. Remember to use the clutch to engage and disengage the gears. And there you have it. With a bit of practice, you'll be shifting like a pro. But remember, always practice in an empty lot first to avoid any accidents. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more driving tips and tricks. Happy driving!